Hello, Ed here on Tuesday the 16th of April, Bitcoin on the daily. Just to show you the green box a little bit lower than where we are now and to sweep this low for this WXY into green and then possibly continuation, or most likely continuation up again. Let's go to the hourly chart and show you what where I left you yesterday. That was somewhere over here. I said we need to break above here to have a break of the bearish structure, and I marked this 4-hour supply zone and was looking there for a rejection, which already happened in the 1-hour supply zone, and we came down. My first thought was, well, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then continuation down, which seems likely, but I do have an alternative view. And let me go to another chart which is a bit more detailed, Elliott wave, and giving you this. So we do have this WXY into the green box below 59,000. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. That is the move that happened last weekend. We have a bounce for now, and if we hold this low, which we printed overnight, I think, yeah, then I think it could be a very tricky alternative to see a corrective bounce towards the top of that range, or and at least here, to take the liquidity over here, and after that most likely still going for that green box, and we would have this move then to complete that Y leg. This would be a ABC, and then if we hit this red box, it would be important to look if we do get a shallow correction and a fifth leg up. That would mean that we do something like this. But for now, I think with the chop from the last weeks and that weakness, this move down from here to me would mean we go lower, 54,000 possibly for this move. That will happen if we break below that B leg today. If we manage to bounce, this is what I would be looking for in the coming days, or maybe even week, with a pleasant surprise if we do something like that. But I still have my green box over here, which hasn't been hit, doesn't have to, but looking at the price action, I think we will still do it, and also taking out the 59,000 low. So a few opportunities, a few different scenarios, but this one is the more tricky part, where everybody thinks, okay, the low is in and we go up, but we take liquidity and then come down. And that would be a pretty, sneaky move, but with that liquidity over here, I think might be very well possible. As said, if we drop below B here today, I think it's more likely that we had deeper down and maybe even to 54,000.